How to turn on or turn off sync iCloud passwords and keychain to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button. And then we go down and tap on Password and Keychain. In here, tap on Sync this iPhone. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off iCloud password and keychain sync. So here I will turn it on so that it will sync the iCloud passwords and keychain. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.